How to increase or decrease bass on Apple AirPods using your iPhone. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease the bass on your Apple AirPods while using your iPhone. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find the app's option. Tap on it. Here, scroll down again and search for Music option. It'll be located about halfway down the list. Tap on Music. Now that you're in the music settings, go for EQ under the audio section. This is where you'll be able to make changes to your sound settings. By default, the EQ is set to off, but if you scroll through the options, you'll notice different presets for the bass. If you want to increase bass, tap on Bass Booster. If you want to reduce bass, there's an option called Reduce Bass. Once you've selected your preferred option, simply back out of the settings. Your AirPods will now play music with either increased or decreased bass depending on your choice. If you're using Spotify, there's also an equalizer setting within the app that allows you to tweak the bass. Alright, that's how you adjust the bass on your Apple AirPods. And that's it. Make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next video.